This 2018 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 8287 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 33 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 10, slide-out, stovetop burner, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, leveling jacks, water heater, awning, oven, smoke detector, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 8287 BHS is 6,025 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.